Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a face mask using a sock and a pair of scissors. So this is very simple. So first you're going to take your sock, and it doesn't have to be a brand new one, it can be an old one, and take it from where it has the elastic and fold it to just about halfway point. And then you're just going to take your scissors and cut all the way across. One pair of socks will make two face masks. So once you have it cut basically in half, you're going to go across the very top where the top of your foot would be and cut all the way across. Now your sock will open up and make a square. Next you'll want to put it back together just like how it was, but the top's cut open this time. Take it where the elastic cuff at the ankle is, fold it to the end that you cut at the very beginning where you cut the toe of the sock off. Go to the edge, the opposite end of your heel, measure over a finger's width and cut about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Do not go to the very end. Then open it back up, and now you have a place for your ears. So you'll just take your mask and wrap it around each ear, and then just adjust it around your face. And that's it, guys. Very simple and inexpensive, and it's really comfortable. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and share.